Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off professional mode on Facebook. Now, whether you're on an iPhone, Android, or a computer, it looks a little bit different depending on your device, but I'm going to walk you through a foolproof way to be able to disable it no matter what device you're on. Now, open up the Facebook app, again, if you're on an iPhone or Android, or just go to facebook.com. We need to first get to your profile. The foolproof way to be able to do that is to tap right next to what's on your mind, tap on your profile button at the top left. Next, tap on those three dots at the top right. It's fairly hard to see, but it's right next to the pencil and the search icon. Tap on those three dots. Scroll down, tap on Turn Off Professional Mode. It says review important changes before you turn it off. Let's hit continue and then tap turn off. Just like that, you will have disabled it. However, you can check it by tapping close and swiping down on the profile, and you will no longer see digital creator or the professional dashboard, indicating you have disabled professional mode. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out this one over to my right. I think you'll really like it.